Hi all, this is the first full tutorial we filmed. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to paint cast rocks. You must follow the steps for a great result. In the first step we're gonna prepare a grey slate wash. This wash is a homemade brew, which we're gonna explain in another video. For now we pour some wash into a cup and fill it with water with a little bit of flow agent. We test the color on the back of the castings or a white piece of paper to see if it's translucent enough for our purpose. Add water if needed. I use demineralized water for it. Now that we are ready and satisfied with the color, we pour some clear water in the cup and start wetting the surface. We work on small pieces at a time and start adding the color to the surface. As you can see, when you paint the base layer and it's wet enough, the wash flows and darkens all the nooks and crannies. So we work our way around the surface and cover everything that is white with this grey, slate grey wash. And when we are done, we let it aside and let it dry for a while. Now it's time to grab our black and brown umber wash. This is also a custom wash, which I am gonna explain in another video. Just pour something in the cup. Wet the darker parts of the castings and add some of this dark wash. After that, take a wet brush and blend the color. Time for more colors. We add sepia to the palette and a neutral grey and burnt umber wash. We put a wash on bigger parts, add some rust tones, all kind of colors you want and like. Just paint them on and blend them with a brush. You go back and forth between the colors. Can darken the wash with a dark grey wash if you want. Try to add depth and shadows to the castings. As you can see, with more colors added, more life comes to these rock pieces. Work your way around, take your time. Our art wasn't done in one day. In the final step, we cover the entire surface again with a dark gray mixed with some burnt umber or something on brown tone. And when we are done, we're gonna leave it to dry for at least a day. For the final steps, we take a skin tone acrylic paint. It can be of any brand, at least it's a little bit pinkish. We wetten our brush with the paint and wipe off most of it on a paper towel and start dry brushing the whole surface. I test it on my hand once in a while. If it leaves a little bit of whitish, it's done. To finish it totally off, we darken it again with a dark wash. Please do not forget to subscribe, more tutorials will follow soon.